Hey everyone, I am with my mom's friends.
Like that, Jerry McCoy is like the best experience I've ever had. I was like, this is the first time I've ever been.
The one on Gun Barrel?
Yeah.
She'll just lick your hand. Stay there. She doesn't like being on camera. My name is Sophie, and well, I like to sniff cameras. Yep. That's my Bucky breath in here, and that's my breath. Yep. Sniffs. Like a nice sniff myself. Hey, and shout out to Brooklyn Oda. Make sure you go to her channel and her other half is Wednesday.
Everybody knows I'm not going to stay here permanently, but I'm not going to do
Mom, say hi to the camera. Hey. I'm zooming in on you. Smile. Sorry, he does not like to be
Yeah.
Charger.
making a YouTube video. Hi guys, make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and click that like button. And click that gray bell right next to the subscribe button. And you will get notified every time I post a video. Bye guys.